Let me show you how to solve this challenge. First of all, we need to get a couple of params from the request. What I'm gonna do, let params is equals to request dot all params. Sales provide you to get all the params in a single object. So that is the magic of sales. So name is required property. I'm gonna add validation for the name. If user does not provide the name, so you can send the bad request error. Bad request error. Error is name is required field. Boom. So how can you get this bad request? If you're asking this question, if you go to the API, sales has already created couple of responses. Bad request, server error. Let me show you first. Go to the sales directory from the node modules, and I'm gonna open the hooks here, lib folder, and I would like to open the hooks, and here is all the responses. As you can see, that bad request forbidden. Bad request is used for 400, and negotiate means 500, or server error is equal to 500. Okay means 200. So this is a bad request error. You can access that. So go back to the company controller. Now I want to, you can get the city and address from the params object. Now how can you access the company model? I told you can access that this way, company.create, because it's a global variable, global object. We need to provide the name here, params.name. We also need to provide the city. If user want to add the city, I can get it from the params, and the last property is address. Boom. Params.address. Cool. Get rid of this content. Now there are multiple ways to work with model yet. First of all, the first step is callback method. It will take a callback method. If sales has created successfully the company, then it will call this callback method. I'm going to use arrow function. If error, we need to send the server error, res.server error. We need to provide the error. If everything is good, we need to send the response. Okay, that's it. Or maybe you can say message like that. Record is created, or it will return the results. So I'm going to cache into the results. Let me return the results back to the Postman. So I don't want to restart the server again and again. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use nodemon. You need to install the nodemon, npm install -g nodemon. If you're using Mac, you need to include the sudo keyword. It will automatically reload the project. I don't need to install nodemon. I already did it. So what I'm going to do, how do you run the project? So let me add the script here in the package.json file. I'm going to add new script, dev nodemon app.js. Cool. npm run dev. Incredible. Project is running. Let me send the request from the Postman. We need to send the body here. Select the JSON. Name property. First one is name. The name of the company is LinkedIn, and we also need to provide the city. City is optional property. I'm going to add random city. I also need to add the address. I'm going to choose random address here. Okay, boom, 200 status code. It means record has created successfully. Let's verify from the MongoDB. So if you will do to do dot company dot find. Aha, here we have the record. Let me use the pretty here. Here is a newly created record from company model.